So our first fencing project was this field, one of 4 that we decided to build, and that was in 2022. And last year in 2023 in the spring, we added these metal gates in passageways. Hello, Oliver. And built these additional 4 fields. So, due to a shortage of money, we had to unfortunately build some wooden fencing to finish off these fields. So 2023 was the year when we finished off this fencing, which was a tough job because we had to drill 2 feet holes into the ground. And like I said in the other video already, the field here was used for transportation to bring their grains off to the side here where all these hopper bins were located at one time. So for their grain storage, the tractors could not really get stuck. So I think a lot of stone was dumped in this area, and that's why drilling was becoming very difficult and hard to do, because we had to, of course, drill through the stone, and a drill really doesn't like stone. But you can see we've made a pathway in between each of the fields with a farm gate, which allows us to get the tractor in here, and our wooden fencing that we made also still allows us to get the tractor into the field. So if we need to have to bring materials to any of the fields, there's entryways. And of course we can also let the cows or future animals walk in this area while we're working or preparing part of the field or any other thing that we need to do. So this was a 2023 project, is to get all these fields organized. Right, we had 1 done, and then we added the 3 more last year. So if you like our videos, if you like our content, please provide a like, and of course a subscribe. Share the video with any of your friends and family. That would be appreciated. And we again thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.